down there. We've got Connor Daly, Rob back out, Simpson, Herta, Kirkwood.
The exit road, we're going to have probably about 20 minutes.
Here we go, 3 wide. Let's warm them up.
You know, which is better to know about race pace. Who's holding the speed? And of course, the single fastest lap showing of the pack here.
Boy, the old days, they'd go out and run.
Oh my God, it's Granny!
Yep, it's Granny.
Are you kidding me? Yeah!
Oh my God. There's something that the European mind can't comprehend.
Hey! Stand on it, go!
There you go.
Dog, no! Dead last, man, come on! No, that's Chicago.
3 years ago now.
Making their way through the second turn, slowly but surely.
Quarter mile on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fast
Yeah! 3 And you still got time to place your bets. They did. They had bets on some stuff for this. Oh.
Yeah, there was a few different parlays. I saw something about it. Oh my God.
Oh God. Yeah. Take the governors off so he can make
Yeah.
Replay! They're picking up speed. Look at them.
They're holding it.
They're gaining some speed. Yeah, they are.
They're whacking them wieners right in the wind.
This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen at a racetrack, and I love it. Look at them. White flag, one more. Oh, pass! Pass!
The Sonoran dog.
Come on, baby.
Chili dog gained a spot.
Come on, Shy Dog. You can't lose in the Midwest. Chili Dog's going for it. Chili Dog's moving!
What is
Cover photo right here. The European mind just can't comprehend.
Oh, smoke! Smoke!
There goes the Sonoran dog. See ya.
Yeah, no one cares about that.
Yeah, Shy Dog.
It's all about Shy Dog and Slaw Dog. That's all it is.
Oh no! They blew one up.
Red flag, sucker.
Yeah, where's the caution?
Manufacture the one lap sprint to
Where's
the
the
finish.
caution? They pushed the Sonoran dog. He was too fast, too hard. Sonoran dog couldn't keep up.
Throw some ketchup and mustard packets in there while you're at it.
Tire change and splash of fuel.
Come on.
Be like Dick Trickle in the car during a caution flag. Off of 3, here we go.
Look at him. Oh, he's on your ass. You better get moving. They're drunk. This is hilarious. Come on. Give him some bump draft.
How about a slide job?
Come on, bump draft him.
Is this Sam Hornish versus Marco Andretti all over again?
Oh, I think they're setting up for a photo finish
Yeah.
here.
They're down to 5. Oh no, 6 is way back there.
Who's coming down? He's going to stick the leg in the museum.
Oh, it's a 4-horse race.
Oh, it's a race.
Oh, boy.
They're looking. There's more smoke from the leader.
Hanging on. Hold on.
Eventually.
Maybe.
Nope, I don't think we're going.
Wait, here comes the speed.
He's coming.
Oh! 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 Did he get there? He got there!
He's there.
Oh! Hey, is that Chili? Who is that?
Slide dog.
Fischer called it. He said slow
No. Now it should be 5. 4. There it is!
Yeah!
Aaron's already going. Into the lines, folks.
Unbelievable. I heard it in the car. And people are like, there's no way you heard it. I heard it. I heard it because at that point, I know we were kind of crossing the bridge. At that point, you're not kind of like up in the revs in 6th gear. You know, you've got the buzz of the engine and then you just hear, oh, I was like, what? Obviously, I wasn't looking around because but I heard the volume of something that was in the car just kind of elevate. That was pretty magical, I would say. And I think after finishing the race and all that, seeing how people were so receptive, I would say.
In Indianapolis, you know where there's a snake pit, there's a party. Well, nationally, Gronk brings the party.
Hey! Woo-hoo!
Driven by former 500 winners and former 500 drivers on track. So here we go. They exit coming out into the short chute. South end of the pits coming into turn number 2.
Behind the wheel of an iconic
Time winner.
Exactly. All right, we'll check this out coming down the back straightaway. Oh, that's cool. That's done. All right, sorry behind the wheel. That's Jim Rathman's 1960 Ken Paul Special Watson. The 1960 Indy 500 winning car. Was the last to feature, that race was the last to feature all 33 cars with front engines in the field. Periods in history, right? Very historic car.
I think we saw the 1955 John Zink Special Curtis out there driving around. Michelle Bourdain back with his 1955 winning car. Johnny Beach will out cruising around, and Johnny Parsons.
There's Dougie!
Friction proofing Curtis Craft car. Remember that? 1950 Indy 500 winner.
I believe that's the 1955 Keck Effortless Streamline. I believe that was with Sebastian Saavedra behind the wheel.
Yep.
And now, please welcome proud Indiana native and four-chair turn on season 24 of The Voice, Ephraim Owens, performing America the Beautiful.
DJ Slater Morgan, thank you. Give it up for DJ Slender Hogan up there bringing us the music there. Race fans, and now for the most famous words in motorsports. Please. Roger Penske.
This is a great day for all of us. Thank you. I want to say thanks to all of you.
Oh, shut up.
300,000+ fans that are here with us today. And the millions of fans that are watching on television around the world to see the greatest spectacle in racing in the world. As many have said, this is a day of honor. We honor the men and the women and the first responders to keep our country safe and secure. Drivers, start your engine!
Yeah, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, Roger Penske. As the engines come to life, race day, the 109th running of the Indianapolis 500 is just about go time.
This is the Paceland America to honor Memorial Day and the U.S. Army's 250th birthday. The Paceland for America is escorted by members of the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, the Night Stalkers, from Louisville, Kentucky, flying above the track in MH-60 Black Hawk helicopters. How about it for the Paceland for America?
Oh, my Lord. Gotta love it.
On the field forming. The 11 rows forming. Pace car coming off of turn number 2. Let's watch them as they come to the backstretch. Who's ready for the Indy 500? What a sight it is.
So your front row, Robert Schwartzman, Takuma Sato, and Otto O'Ward. And in row 2, Scott Dixon, Felix Rosenquist, and Alex Palou. And now the third row, -1. Actually the fourth row, -1 is...
Here they come.
Come on, baby, let's go!
The 109th running of the Indianapolis 500 is about to go down.
It is going down.
Waving. Who's going to get this first round? The first lead here. Schwartzman hanging on.
Below outside of Rosenquist, the first side-by-side in line as Schwartzman leads through turn 1. O'Ward yielded in the corner. Crash! Get back to the field. That's Marco Andretti in the lead.
Marco in a crash.
What is happening?
I don't know.
Crashed. Turn 1. He's out of the car.
Already of our race. And runs to basically the exit of turn number 4. His discretion somewhere in there when to pick up the pace and go.
There you see the pace car going down the backstretch, hustling to get out of the way. The field about to get after it again. All right, let's cheer for a safe restart here. Let's get it going. Schwartzman, Award, Sato, Dixon, Rosenquist. That's the top 5. This will be lap number 9.
And a look as the field works its way to turn number 3 now and gets ready to come to that green flag.
Here comes the restart. Green flag waves at Indianapolis. Schwartzman leading the field out of turn number 4.
It looks like Award's got a big run going down the main straight away to the outside for the race lead. They're mixing it up behind him. And Paul Award will take the lead to the corner.
Let's get him safely through turn number 1.
We made it to the turn, guys.
Looks like we got him through 1. Here we go. Wide him up. Otto Award with a big jump, and he has the lead.
Here comes Sato!
Takuma Sato to the outside.
Rosenquist looked like he wanted to make a move around Schwartzman. Here comes the field off of turn number 4.
Schwartzman to the inside and Rosenquist to the outside in the draft. Headed to the
Schwartzman's
corner.
letting everybody go.
Rosenquist
Smart.
goes to 3rd.
All right, 190 to go.
So the pole sitter now in 4th. Schwartzman is 4th.
Yeah.
Field is settled down for the moment.
For the moment, here comes Takuma
Sato! Yeah, baby!
Worst moment of my life. Really sorry to my team who built me 2 fantastic cars because I wrecked the first one as well, and just been a horror month. But sorry to my sponsors, my fans as well. I had so many great support, so much great support out here, and I just I just wrecked it. So I don't know what happened. I really have no idea, and it's just definitely probably the hardest moment of my life right now.
I'm sorry to hear that, Scott, but we're glad you're okay.
Oh, it's good.
here in half a lap.
So far, race leader Sato led 51, Hunray led 16, Rossi led 14, Schwartzman led 8. Di Francesco has led 6 laps. He's still up front as we get ready for the green. Let's go! Back to speed!
It's away.
Harvey's right there. Here we go, green flag. Devlin gets a nice jump.
Watch third place here, second place.
Lucas making a move to the inside of Harvey.
And below the outside.
Low charging, 4 wide.
Look at the low.
4 wide.
He backed out a little bit.
Who gets through turn 1? Harvey gives room, Pillow gives room, and everybody makes it through okay.
Gripped it and ripped it.
Boy, Harvey was hanging on to that horse there as he came through the south end of the track.
Going to be a drive-through penalty for Marcus Armstrong for being out of position.
He's got it. Newgarden making a nice move. He is on the charge all of a sudden on this restart.
He gets around Felix Rosenquist in turn number 3, and Joseph Newgarden closer to the front of the Indianapolis 500. Can a three-peat be on the way today?
The battle is on officially. They're shaking it up. Daly is second, Malukas hanging on to third, Palou fourth, Ferrucci's fifth. Eilot is sixth. Carpenter seventh, Harvey eighth. After it.
Now it's a four-horse race again.
Last year, he had a second place in 23.
What the hell?
The 22 champion. That's got a legitimate shot. He's 16. Daly's back to 8.
Just off the pit lane. And
He's got the freshest tires out of all of them.
Getting down to 20 laps remaining next time by. Here's Palou. Can this be his day? Go, this big show.
Down to the final 50 miles. Foster in defense.
Palou, 1/10 of a second is the lead as we get down to 18 laps to go. Now, 4/10 of a second is the lead. Malukas still third. So what's the strategy now, right? What's the strategy? What's going to happen here? Is Palou going to just keep riding here to the final lap or two? What about Malukas? Here they come. 5 to go. 5 laps remaining in the Indianapolis 500.
This is the 5th Indianapolis 500. Alex Palou has driven for the Chip Ganassi team. He qualified in the first 2 rows for all but one of them. He's finished 9th or better in every one of them, including one where he got knocked around on pit road and had to go all the way back. And 4 laps to go. 4 laps to go in the Indianapolis 500.
So when do you make your move, or do you have a move left? About to find out. Backstretch. Palou, Ericsson, Malukas, Award, Rosen.
That gave Ericsson a chance. They're not going anywhere. Ericsson backed up. Damn it.
3 to go.
Timing out.
He's doing what Elio did.
3 laps remaining. South end of the track. Through 2. Palou looking smooth. But Ericsson not going away.
Nope.
Close gap to Ericsson.
Let's count down 2 laps remaining. This 500 here comes. And Ericsson. 2 to go.
Come on, Palou.
Next time by, you get the white flag. Alex Palou trying to hold off Ericsson. They go to the backstretch.
Still trailing the Louis Foster and Devlin DiFrancesco cars. Turn number 4, here they come to decide the Indianapolis 500.
And here it is, the Speedway. One lap to go. Here's Erickson looking to the inside in turn number 1.
Yes, he is! Yes, he is!
They're in turn 2. It's Palou with about a 3-car length lead coming up the 2. Diving low. Now trying to stay low. He still has those 2 guys in front of him. They're going to come up on turn number 3. And the caution comes out. Got a crash in turn 2 and a big one. And the second flag comes out. Alex Palou wins the Indianapolis 500. Alex Palou is your winner around here till the last lap. I mean, I thought those guys behind him were coming. They didn't have anything for him, you know. So I don't know. I thought they were coming. Look at this raucous crowd hanging out in turn number 3. As Alex Palou greets you, the fans. Come on, make some noise, turn 3. Thank you everyone. Yes! Yes! Poor sweet. Here we come to turn through the north end of the track. How about this moment? All these folks hanging out just to see you.
That's amazing. Thank you.